Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and submit homework in your Google Classroom. So we have this assigned right here, biology weekly quiz. So this is the homework. So we'll just go ahead and click on this. So here we go. This is the quiz. Now sometimes what happens is, let's say you go ahead and click on it like this, and you see the assignment or quiz right here. You click on it. Now you get the option to add or create, right? But let's say you went ahead and went to classwork and you clicked on it from here. You will not see the option to submit it. So you need to click on view instructions, okay? Now make sure you read the instructions. It says answer in a separate section in the same Word document. So first I'll go ahead and open up this Word document. There we go, here it is. So I'll click on open with Google Docs. First I'll go ahead and download this, and then I'll work on it offline on my Word document, right? Microsoft Word. Or what you can do is just work on it right here if you would like. But I prefer to do it offline and then submit it. So I'll come here, click on File, hover over Download, and download the Microsoft Word docs, okay? There we go. So it has downloaded, as you can see. You can just open this up in your Word document. All right, so I filled in all of the answers in a separate section as per the instructions. And now we're going to go ahead and submit this. And of course, I did put my name here in the Word document as well. You can do that as well. It's good practice. Now we'll come back here, exit this. Okay, then you can click on add or create. Now you can upload it through Google Drive, a link or a file. So you can click on file to upload it directly. And of course you can drag and drop as well. Okay, or you can browse through your PC. So I'll just go ahead and drag and drop this right here. So there we go. And it's currently uploading. So you just wait for this to be done. And right now it's almost done uploading. Now, one thing that is important, you have not submitted it yet. You need to click on turn in, okay? Make sure you turn it in. So until you do turn it in, right, you can continue editing this. You can remove this and add a new Word document as well. But now I'm going to turn this in, okay? We'll submit this attachment. There we go. Turn it in. And there you go. It's done, okay? Really that easy and simple.